Welcome to our in-depth review of the Royalton CHIC Cancun, an autograph collection all-inclusive resort, adults only. This luxurious getaway in the heart of Cancun promises a vibrant atmosphere and unforgettable experiences for adult travelers. So, grab your sunglasses and let's dive into what makes this resort a standout destination in Mexico's Caribbean paradise. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? The Royalton CHIC Cancun boasts 458 elegantly styled suites that are sure to make you feel like royalty. While the resort keeps the specific room categories close to its chest, we can tell you that each suite offers breathtaking views of either the Caribbean Sea or the Nishipte Lagoon. Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves and stepping out onto your private balcony to soak in the tropical scenery. It's like having your own slice of paradise. These suites aren't just about the views, though. They're decked out with all the modern amenities you'd expect from a luxury resort. We're talking air conditioning to keep you cool in that Cancun heat, flat-screen TVs for when you need a break from all that sun, and minibars stocked with refreshing beverages. And let's not forget the stylish decor that'll make you feel like you're living in a design magazine spread. While we don't have the exact sizes of the rooms, guests consistently rave about the spaciousness and comfort. Oh, and did we mention the level 18 Rooftop Cabana lounge? It's an exclusive amenity that'll make you feel like you're on top of the world, literally. Now let's talk about something that's always close to our hearts and stomachs, the dining options. The Royalton CHIC Cancun doesn't mess around when it comes to satisfying your taste buds. With 9 restaurants and 6 bars, you'll be spoiled for choice. While the resort keeps the specific names and concepts of these eateries under wraps, we can tell you that you'll find a delicious mix of international and local cuisines. Fancy some pasta? There's an Italian restaurant waiting for you. Craving some authentic Mexican flavors? They've got you covered. And for those days when you just can't decide, there's always the buffet-style option where you can sample a bit of everything. But the culinary adventure doesn't stop at the restaurants. The 6 bars scattered throughout the resort ensure that your glass is never empty. Whether you're lounging by the pool, dancing the night away, or enjoying the sunset from the rooftop, there's always a refreshing cocktail within reach. And here's a little tidbit for you party animals. The resort hosts themed nights and special events as part of its entertainment offerings. So, don't be surprised if you find yourself at a Mexican fiesta one night and a beach barbecue the next. Speaking of beaches, let's dive into the aquatic offerings at Royalton CHIC Cancun. The resort boasts not 1, not 2, but 4 pools, plus a jacuzzi for good measure. The crown jewel of these watery wonders is the infinity pool, where you can float at the edge and feel like you're merging with the Caribbean Sea. And if that's not enough, there's also a rooftop pool at level 18 that offers panoramic views of Cancun's coastline. It's the perfect spot for those Instagram-worthy shots that'll make your friends back home green with envy. But wait, there's more. The pools come with their own set of perks. Fancy a drink but don't want to leave the water? No problem. The swim-up bars have got you covered. And if you're more of a lounge by the pool type, the poolside service ensures you don't have to lift a finger. Just raise your hand, and a frosty beverage or snack will magically appear at your side. Of course, we can't talk about a Cancun resort without mentioning the beach. Royalton CHIC Cancun boasts a private stretch of white sand that's just begging for you to sink your toes into it. While we don't have the exact length of the beach, guests consistently rave about its beauty and cleanliness. And just like at the pools, you can expect top-notch beach service. So, whether you're working on your tan, building sand castles, or taking a dip in the crystal clear waters, your every need will be catered to. Now, let's say you're feeling a bit more active. Maybe all that lounging around has given you an energy boost. Well, Royalton CHIC Cancun has got you covered there too. The resort offers a state-of-the-art fitness center equipped with modern equipment to help you keep up with your workout routine. But let's be honest, who wants to be cooped up inside when you're in paradise? That's why the resort also offers instructor-led classes as part of their Royalton Fit program. Imagine doing yoga on the beach as the sun rises, or joining a high-energy Zumba class by the pool. It's a great way to burn off some of those all-inclusive calories while having fun. For those seeking ultimate relaxation, the Royal Spa is your go-to destination. While the resort keeps the specifics of their treatments under wraps, gotta maintain some mystery, right? We can tell you that it offers a range of pampering options to soothe your body and mind. Fancy a massage with a view of the Caribbean? They've got it. Want to detox in the sauna or steam room? No problem. The spa facilities are designed to transport you to a state of bliss that perfectly complements the laid-back vibe of Cancun. Now, you might be wondering about activities beyond the resort. Well, you're in luck because Royalton CHIC Cancun is smack dab in the middle of all the action. The hotel is within walking distance of Cancun's famous nightlife, shopping, and dining hotspots. Want to dance the night away at a world-famous club? It's just a short stroll away. Fancy some retail therapy? The high-end boutiques and souvenir shops are nearby. And if you want to explore further afield, the hotel can arrange transportation to nearby attractions, like the ancient Mayan ruins of Chichen Itza or the eco-parks of the Riviera Maya. But let's be real, with everything the resort offers, you might not want to leave at all. The Royalton CHIC Cancun takes its entertainment seriously. We're talking themed pool and beach parties that'll have you dancing from sunrise to sunset. The CHIC Angels, we're not entirely sure who they are, but they sound fabulous, make regular appearances, adding an extra touch of glamour to your stay. And every Thursday, get ready for the Sky is White party. It's an event that's not to be missed. Now let's talk about what makes Royalton CHIC Cancun truly stand out. First off, it's adults only, which means you can enjoy a sophisticated atmosphere without worrying about cannonballs in the pool, unless you're the one doing them, of course. The all-inclusive concept here goes beyond just food and drinks. It's about providing a complete experience of luxury and entertainment. The resort's focus on creating a vibrant, party-like atmosphere sets it apart from other more sedate luxury resorts in the area. It's like having a VIP pass to the hottest club in Cancun, except the club is your hotel, and you never have to leave. The Level 18 Rooftop Cabana Lounge deserves a special mention. This exclusive area offers panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea and Cancun's skyline. It's the perfect spot for watching the sunset with a cocktail in hand, or for a romantic dinner under the stars. It's these kinds of unique features that elevate Royalton CHIC Cancun from just another resort to a truly memorable destination. While the resort doesn't have traditional conference facilities, it does offer unique spaces for small gatherings or events. Imagine hosting a business meeting or a small wedding with the Caribbean as your backdrop. It's not your average boardroom experience, that's for sure. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the guest experience. The resort consistently receives high ratings for its location, cleanliness, and service. Guests rave about the modern aesthetic of the resort, with its sleek design and contemporary furnishings. The quality of the food is another point of praise, with many guests pleasantly surprised by the variety and taste of the all-inclusive offerings. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.